To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial investment or tax advice, consult a financial investment or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. Answers to common Gold IRA questions. Precious Metals IRA accounts. Secure your golden years. Unveiling the power of Gold IRAs for retirement. In an era of economic uncertainty, volatile stock markets, and persistent inflation, more and more individuals are seeking robust and reliable ways to safeguard their retirement savings. Traditional investment vehicles, while having their place, are often susceptible to market fluctuations and the eroding effects of currency devaluation. This is where the concept of a Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA, shines brightly as a beacon of stability and long-term value. A Gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals within the tax-advantaged structure of an individual retirement account. It's not about investing in gold mining stocks or ETFs. It's about owning actual physical gold that you can see, touch, and know is there, working to protect your financial future. This comprehensive audiobook delves deep into the world of Gold IRAs, answering the most frequently asked questions and illuminating why a Precious Metals IRA might be the strategic move you need to fortify your retirement portfolio. We aim to provide you with a detailed understanding of how Gold IRAs work, their benefits, potential risks, and how to mitigate them, and everything you need to know to make an informed decision about whether a Gold IRA is right for you. Prepare to unlock the potential of gold and discover how it can contribute to a more secure and prosperous retirement. Question number 1. What exactly is a Gold IRA, Precious Metals IRA? Let's start with the foundational question. What is a Gold IRA? At its core, a Gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, that allows you to hold physical precious metals, primarily gold, but also silver, platinum, and palladium, as investments within the IRA structure. Think of it as a traditional IRA, like a Roth or traditional IRA, but instead of holding paper assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, your IRA holds physical precious metals. This is a crucial distinction. You are not investing in derivatives, futures, or mining company shares. You are investing in the tangible asset itself, gold bullion, coins, and bars that meet specific IRS purity standards. Key differences from traditional IRAs. Asset type. Traditional IRAs typically hold paper assets. Gold IRAs hold physical precious metals. Custodians. Gold IRAs require specialized custodians who are equipped to handle and store physical precious metals securely. Not all IRA custodians are qualified to manage Gold IRAs. Storage. Your precious metals must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, not at home or in a safety deposit box at your local bank, which is generally not permitted for IRA assets. This ensures the security and tax-advantaged status of your investment. Self-direction. Gold IRAs are self-directed, meaning you have more control over your investment choices within the IRA. You decide which precious metals to buy and when. Why the Precious Metals IRA term? While often referred to as a Gold IRA, the more accurate and encompassing term is Precious Metals IRA. This is because under IRS regulations, you can hold more than just gold in these accounts. Eligible precious metals include gold, the cornerstone of precious metals IRAs, often favored for its historical stability and intrinsic value. Silver, another popular choice, offering a lower entry point than gold and strong industrial demand alongside its monetary history. Platinum, a rarer and denser metal with significant industrial applications, particularly in the automotive industry, making it potentially responsive to economic growth. Palladium, another metal primarily used in catalytic converters, offering diversification beyond gold and silver with its own supply and demand dynamics. In essence, a Gold IRA or Precious Metals IRA provides a strategic avenue to diversify your retirement portfolio beyond conventional assets, offering a potential hedge against inflation, economic downturns, and currency risks by holding tangible precious metals. Question number 2. Why choose a Gold IRA? What are the primary benefits? The allure of a Gold IRA stems from the unique characteristics of precious metals and the specific advantages they offer within a retirement savings context. Let's explore the compelling reasons why individuals are increasingly turning to Gold IRAs. Hedge against inflation. This is arguably the most cited and powerful benefit. Gold has historically acted as a reliable hedge against inflation. When the purchasing power of fiat currencies, like the US dollar, erodes due to inflation, gold tends to maintain or even increase its value. This is because gold's supply is relatively limited, and its intrinsic value is recognized globally, unlike paper currencies, which can be printed at will. As inflation rises, investors often flock to gold as a safe haven, driving up its price and preserving their wealth. Safe haven asset in times of economic uncertainty. During periods of economic turbulence, geopolitical instability, or stock market crashes, gold typically performs well. It's considered a safe haven asset because it tends to hold its value or even appreciate when other investments decline. When confidence in traditional markets wanes, investors seek the security and stability of gold, driving demand and prices upwards. Think of historical events like the 2008 financial crisis or periods of high international tension. Gold often shines during these times. Diversification. Beyond traditional assets, modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to mitigate risk. Gold and precious metals generally have a low or even negative correlation with stocks and bonds. This means that when stocks and bonds are declining in value, as they often do during economic downturns, gold might be rising or at least holding steady. Adding gold to your portfolio can significantly reduce overall portfolio volatility and improve risk-adjusted returns. It's a way to spread your risk and not have all your eggs in the same basket, the traditional stock and bond market. Long-term store of value. Gold has been valued for millennia as a store of wealth. Unlike paper currencies that can be debased by inflation or government policies, gold retains its intrinsic value over long periods. It's a tangible asset that doesn't rely on the solvency of any particular institution or government. For long-term retirement savings, this enduring value proposition is exceptionally attractive. You're investing in something that has held value throughout history and is likely to continue to do so. Potential for appreciation. While gold is often seen as a store of value, it also has the potential for price appreciation. Demand for gold is influenced by various factors, including inflation, economic uncertainty, industrial demand, central bank buying, and investment demand. Historically, there have been periods of significant gold price appreciation, and many analysts believe that future economic conditions could be conducive to further gold price increases. While past performance is not indicative of future results, the potential for appreciation adds another layer of appeal to Gold IRAs. Tangible asset ownership. In a Gold IRA, you own physical gold. You can literally see and touch it, though it's stored securely in a depository. This provides a sense of security and control that is absent when investing in abstract paper assets. For some investors, especially those who are skeptical of the financial system or prefer tangible assets, this physical ownership is a major psychological benefit. In summary, the benefits of a Gold IRA are multifaceted and compelling, offering a strategic way to enhance portfolio diversification, hedge against economic risks, and secure your long-term retirement savings with a time-tested and inherently valuable asset, physical precious metals. Question number 3. What types of precious metals can I hold in a Gold IRA? While the name Gold IRA might suggest you can only hold gold, the reality is that IRS regulations permit a variety of specific forms of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium to be held within these tax-advantaged accounts. However, there are strict rules regarding the type and purity of metals that qualify. It's not just any gold bar or coin. IRS-approved precious metals for Gold IRAs must meet specific requirements. Purity standards. The metals must meet minimum purity levels to be considered bullion for IRA purposes. This is crucial. Gold must be 99.5% pure, minimum 0.995 fineness. Silver must be 99.9% pure, minimum 0.999 fineness. Platinum must be 99.95% pure, minimum 0.9995 fineness. Palladium must be 99.95% pure, minimum 0.9995 fineness. Form and minting. The metals must be in the form of coins, bars, or rounds produced by recognized government mints or refiners, assayers meeting specific standards. Examples of commonly approved precious metals: gold, American Gold Eagle coins, gold bullion and proof; American Gold Buffalo coins, gold bullion; Canadian Gold Maple Leaf coins; Austrian Gold Philharmonic coins; gold bars and rounds produced by reputable refiners like Pamp Suisse, Credit Suisse, and Johnson Matthey that meet the purity requirements. Silver, American Silver Eagle coins, silver bullion and proof; Canadian Silver Maple Leaf coins; Austrian Silver Philharmonic coins; silver bars and rounds produced by reputable refiners that meet the purity requirements. Platinum, American Platinum Eagle coins, platinum bullion and proof; Canadian Platinum Maple Leaf coins; platinum bars and rounds produced by reputable refiners that meet the purity requirements. Palladium, American Palladium Eagle coins, palladium bullion; Canadian Palladium Maple Leaf coins; palladium bars and rounds produced by reputable refiners that meet the purity requirements. What is not allowed in a Gold IRA? Collectibles or semi-numismatic coins. While some older gold coins might be beautiful, they are generally not permitted in a Gold IRA due to their collectible value exceeding their bullion content. The focus is on bullion-grade metals. Jewelry. Gold jewelry, regardless of purity, is not eligible. Precious metal ETFs or mining stocks. Gold IRAs are about physical ownership, not paper representations of precious metals. These are held in traditional brokerage accounts, not Gold IRAs. Metals below purity standards. Gold, silver, platinum, and palladium that do not meet the minimum purity requirements are not eligible. Important note: always verify with your Gold IRA custodian and precious metals dealer that the specific gold, silver, platinum, or palladium products you are considering meet IRS eligibility requirements before purchase. Reputable dealers and custodians will be well versed in these regulations and can guide you in selecting compliant metals. Question number 4. How does a Gold IRA actually work? What's the process? Understanding the process of setting up and managing a Gold IRA is essential. While it's not overly complicated, it does involve a few key steps and specialized entities. Here's a breakdown of how a Gold IRA works. Step-by-step process. Choose a reputable Gold IRA custodian. This is the first and arguably most crucial step. You cannot hold a Gold IRA directly yourself. You need a specialized custodian who is approved by the IRS to administer self-directed IRAs and handle physical precious metals. The custodian acts as the administrator for your account, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. They do not give investment advice, but handle the paperwork, reporting, and storage arrangements. Research different custodians, comparing fees, reputation, storage options, and customer service. Look for custodians with a proven track record, transparent fee structures, and strong security protocols. Set up a self-directed IRA account. Once you've chosen a custodian, you will set up a new self-directed IRA account with them. You can choose between a traditional Gold IRA or a Roth Gold IRA, depending on your tax objectives. The custodian will guide you through the account application process, which typically involves paperwork to establish the account type and beneficiary designations. Fund your Gold IRA. You can fund your Gold IRA in a few ways. Rollover. You can roll over funds from existing retirement accounts like a 401k, 403b, traditional IRA, or SEP IRA into your Gold IRA without tax penalties. This is the most common method. The rollover must be direct from custodian to maintain the tax-deferred status. Transfer. You can transfer funds from an existing IRA to your Gold IRA, also tax-free. if it's a trustee-to-trustee transfer. Cash contributions. You can make annual cash contributions to your Gold IRA, subject to the IRS contribution limits for that year, just like with a traditional IRA. Select a precious metals dealer. You'll need to work with a reputable precious metals dealer to purchase the physical gold, silver, platinum, or palladium for your IRA. The custodian typically has a network of approved dealers, or you can choose your own as long as they meet the custodian's requirements. Choose a dealer with competitive pricing, a wide selection of IRS-approved metals, and a strong reputation for integrity and customer service. Purchase IRS-approved precious metals. Work with your chosen dealer to select the specific gold, silver, platinum, or palladium products you want to include in your IRA, ensuring they meet IRS purity and form requirements. The dealer will facilitate the purchase of the metals on your behalf. Secure storage at an IRS-approved depository. This is a critical step. IRS regulations mandate that all precious metals held in a Gold IRA must be stored in an approved secure depository. You cannot store them at home, in a safety deposit box at your local bank, which is generally not permitted for IRA assets anyway, or anywhere else not approved by the IRS. The depository is a third-party facility specializing in the secure storage of precious metals, often employing high-security vaults, insurance, and stringent inventory control. Your custodian will arrange for the metals to be shipped directly from the dealer to the depository for secure storage under your IRA account name. Ongoing management and reporting. Your custodian will handle the ongoing administration of your Gold IRA, including providing regular account statements, managing storage fees, and facilitating any transactions you wish to make, like buying or selling metals within your IRA. They also handle all necessary IRS reporting. Key players in the Gold IRA process. You, the investor. You make the decisions about funding, metal selection, and overall investment strategy within your Gold IRA. Gold IRA custodian administers the IRA, handles paperwork, ensures IRS compliance, provides statements, and manages storage arrangements. Precious metals dealer sells you the IRS-approved precious metals for your IRA and ships them to the depository. IRS-approved depository provides secure, insured, and segregated storage for your precious metals within your IRA. Important considerations. Due diligence. Thoroughly research custodians and dealers. Verify their credentials, track records, fees, and security protocols. Fees. Be aware of the various fees associated with Gold IRAs, custodian fees, storage fees, dealer markups, transaction fees. Understand the fee structure before you invest. Long-term investment. Gold IRAs are generally best suited for long-term retirement savings. Market fluctuations in precious metals prices can occur, so a long-term perspective is advisable. By understanding this step-by-step process and working with reputable professionals, you can establish and manage a Gold IRA effectively, leveraging the benefits of precious metals within a tax-advantaged retirement structure. Question number 5. What are the costs associated with a Gold IRA? Fees and expenses explained. While the potential benefits of a Gold IRA are significant, it's crucial to be fully aware of the costs involved. Gold IRAs, due to the handling and storage of physical precious metals, typically have different fee structures than traditional IRAs holding paper assets. Transparency regarding fees is essential when choosing a Gold IRA custodian and dealer. Common fees associated with Gold IRAs. Custodian setup fee. Some custodians charge a one-time fee to set up your new Gold IRA account. This fee can vary between custodians. Custodian annual maintenance fee. This is a recurring annual fee charged by the custodian to administer your account, handle record keeping, provide statements, and ensure IRS compliance. Fees may be a flat rate or a percentage of assets under management. Storage fees. Since your precious metals must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, you will incur storage fees. These fees are typically charged annually and can be based on a flat rate or a percentage of the value or weight of your metals. Storage fees cover secure storage in a highly secure vault, insurance against theft or damage, and inventory management. Segregated storage, where your metals are kept separate from other clients' metals, may have higher fees than commingled storage. Transaction fees. Buy-sell. When you purchase or sell precious metals within your IRA, you may incur transaction fees charged by the custodian or dealer. These fees can be a flat rate per transaction or a percentage of the transaction value. Compare transaction fees from different dealers and custodians. Dealer markup. When you buy precious metals from a dealer, they will typically add a markup to the spot price of the metal. This is how dealers make a profit. The markup can vary depending on the dealer, the type of metal, and the size of the purchase. Shop around and compare dealer markups to ensure you are getting competitive pricing. Shipping and insurance fees. When precious metals are shipped from the dealer to the depository, there may be shipping and insurance fees involved. These are often included in the purchase price but should be clarified. Wire transfer fees. If you fund your Gold IRA via wire transfer, your bank or the custodian may charge wire transfer fees. Understanding fee structures. Flat fees versus percentage-based fees. Some custodians charge flat annual maintenance and storage fees, while others charge fees based on a percentage of the assets in your account. Consider which fee structure is more advantageous for your investment size and long-term plans. Hidden fees. Beware of custodians or dealers that are not transparent about their fees or try to hide fees in the fine print. Ask for a complete and detailed fee schedule up front. Fee comparison. Thoroughly compare the fee structures of different Gold IRA custodians before making a decision. Don't just focus on the lowest setup fee. Consider the long-term impact of annual maintenance and storage fees. Are Gold IRA fees worth it? While Gold IRAs do have fees, it's essential to consider them in the context of the potential benefits. The fees cover specialized services like secure storage, insurance, and administrative compliance that are necessary for holding physical precious metals in an IRA. Factor in tax advantages. Remember that the tax advantages of an IRA, tax-deferred growth in a traditional IRA or tax-free growth in a Roth IRA, can potentially outweigh the associated fees over the long term, especially if gold performs well as an investment. Security and peace of mind. The fees also contribute to the security and peace of mind of knowing your physical precious metals are stored safely in a professional vault, insured, and compliant with IRS regulations. This is a significant value proposition for many investors. Long-term perspective. View Gold IRA fees as a cost of doing business for a long-term investment strategy. Over many years, the potential for wealth preservation and diversification offered by gold may justify the associated costs. In conclusion, while Gold IRAs do involve fees, understanding the fee structure, comparing custodians, and weighing the costs against the potential benefits and tax advantages is crucial to making an informed decision. Transparent fee structures and reputable custodians are paramount to ensure you are getting fair value for the services provided. Summary. These are the answers to the most commonly asked Gold IRA questions. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.